Midway through the summer, I did a video on my above ground sprinkler system utilizing below ground heads, this timer, splitter, manifold, and a bunch of just standard garden hose. Now it's fall, winter's approaching. Obviously the water needs to get out of this, so I just figured I'd do a quick video on what my plan is here. So basically I just have my small pancake compressor. I bought a garden hose, two standard air compressor fitting off of Amazon, and we're just going to use this to blow out the lines. So I'm going to put you down, screw that. Maybe I'll get it started with while recording. Okay, that should be zone 2, and that should be my driveway sprinklers. There we go, blowing the water out of this line. And then once all the air is out, I have these plugs that'll just go in the end of the garden hoses. And the two zones that are in the front, I'm gonna take in over the winter just because I don't want to hit them with the snow blower with the snow. The two that are in the yard, I'm gonna cap the hose with these plugs and just leave them out because it doesn't matter, they're not in the way. So this air compressor fitting, as well as these plugs, were both found on Amazon. I will put a link in the description to where you can purchase them, and I hope this was helpful.